Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Sometimes your iPhone screen might seem zoomed in, making it challenging to navigate and use. If you want to zoom out and return your screen to its normal view, follow these easy steps. Let's get started. First method is to use the three-finger gesture. Double tap the screen with 3 fingers. This action will immediately zoom out if the zoom feature is enabled. You can also adjust the zoom setting. Go to your setting app, then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Next, tap the zoom section and ensure zoom is turned off. Another method is to reboot your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve zoom related issues. Press and hold the side button or either volume button until the power slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone, then press and hold the side button again to turn it back on. And there you go guys, zooming out your iPhone is quick and straightforward. By using the 3-finger gesture, adjusting your setting or restarting your device, you can easily return your screen to normal. Now you can navigate your iPhone without any zoom related difficulties. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye bye.